Everyone was sitting here and enjoying their best moments. Bro, tell me, do you have someone whom you like? What the hell, Jimin? How many times I have to say no? Tay said, sighing deeply. Oh ho, come on, don't hide it now. He said teasingly. Oh god, Jimin. Okay, I will tell you, but not now. When the guys will give the good news, then I will tell who is she. He said, smiling shyly, making everyone go in. Oh, you really have someone, and you didn't even tell me. JK asks. And how could I when you were so busy in your girl? JK smiles and looks at you. That's true, I was really busy in that I didn't realize anything. Oh come on, Jun. You whisper to him shyly. He chuckles and grabs your hand under the table and intertwine them. You look at him and smile. Just little bit more. He whispers softly, making you gulp. Oh Poop, you're so impatient. Jimin said, making you and JK look at him. What, Jimin? Your hand is in mine. He sings that line, making you blush more, while JK just rolls his eyes away from him, making him and others laugh. Oh come on, let's just eat, I am so hungry. He said as the waitress put the plates on table. Looking delicious, I am so hungry. You said and started to dig in. Very delicious. You look at him as he was looking at you while licking his lips. But, food. You just shrug your shoulders and enjoy the food. Hey, you can tell me who is that lucky girl that will be your girl? Jin whispers to Tay, who was so focused in eating. Come on, tell me. Still he didn't say anything. Okay, I will take you in Gucci shop and you can buy anything, I will pay. Now tell me. Tay looks at him smirking. What's with this ugly face? You know her. Tay gives him a clue. I know her? You mean N? What the hell, she's already taken. He scoffs. Then Mia. Tay shakes his head. Alice. Again no Bhumi. No Sana. No, oh god, I know so many girls. Now how can I find whom you like? Tay just shrugs his shoulders while Jin clicks his tongue. Who can be it? Nancy. As he said it, Tay stops eating, making him. Jin looks at him. Oh, Jimin also teases him as Tay and Jin look at him. What happened to you? Now I know who is that girl whom Tay likes. Jimin says, gaining others' attention. Stop it, Jimin, don't say it now. He said, glaring Jimin, but he just laughed. Who is it? JK asks, looking at Jimin, then Jin. Well, I won't tell, but I can say she's so beautiful. He will tell us, so give us a good news soon. He winks to JK, making him smirks while you were just focused on your food. Thank God you listened me, Jimin, and what about me? Jin said, making Tay gulps and looks at him. He was smirking. Oh come on, I will offer you your own offer. Jin nods in satisfaction. Hello everyone, she comes with your dad and Jungkook's parents. Well, how you are feeling, sweetie? She asks, caressing your head. I am full, mom. You said, rubbing your stomach, making your mom's face palm. Omo, my daughter-in-law is so cute. You smile sweetly. Well, we want to give you both your gifts. You and JK look at her. Honey. Oh, here. He handed her an envelope. Here, I take the envelope and open it. Tickets? JK says. Yeah, I want you guys go to that place, and then you can show her a secret place that we built when you were young. JK thinks for a while, then smiles as he gets what his dad is talking about. What place? I asked to him, but he just smiled. You will find out. It's a surprise. And here, Dad handed JK the car keys and he takes them. Small gifts from us, son. JK smiles as Dad pats his shoulder. Take care of her, or if you make her cry. Oh come on honey, he will make her cry only once, right son? I gulp as well as others, but afterwards they all start to laugh when they got what was my mom's meaning. Oh god mom. She just laughs, patting my cheek. Okay then, enjoy, they said and walked away, while I just sit here feeling my cheeks burning from what I said earlier. Wow Jungkook, N's mom is on your side. Hobi said, making all of them laugh. You're right, I also want a mother-in-law like her. And do you have any sister? I shake my head. Then you can't get a mother-in-law like her. Sorry. Sugar said to Namjoon, making him sigh. Oh come on, why you guys covered my eyes only? I said, pouting, making them laugh. Oof, why they just covered my eyes and not Jungkook's? It's not fair. Okay, we are here and now you can open your eyes. Then I feel someone taking off the blindfold, and I open my eyes slowly.